Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's Food Pantry Day. Not only that, we're gonna do a food pantry run and deliver some food to Miss Brenda. Also, when we get back to the Uncle Chris kitchen, I'm gonna show you what I got, and I'm gonna show you what one of the nieces sent me in the mail. A wonderful present. You guys are gonna love it. Wait till you see it. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Okay, nieces and nephews, here we are in the south suburbs of Chicago. And yes, there is a line. That's all right. We're going to be delivering to Miss Brenda very soon, and then back to the Uncle Chris kitchen. But as you can see, it is a gloomy, rainy day. Perfect for food pantry recipes. All right. We're about to enter the food pantry. They're going to load up the car, and then we're going to be off to Miss Brenda's. All right, nieces and nephews, we just pulled up in front of Mrs. Brenda's house, and we're gonna give her food now. Come on, let's go. Well, hello there, Miss Brenda.
How are you?
I am fine, dear. Look at this pretty face. Come on, hon. Come on. Let's go into the kitchen.
All right.
Let me see what all you got. Oh,
I got the good bit.
yes, you do, hon. Here.
Ooh.
I thought you'd like those.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Of course, hon.
Ooh. They have a recipe about these. You can make like Olive Garden
Yes.
with the melted butter.
Yes.
What else I got?
Go ahead, dig on in.
Oh, my nuts. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
You should
Awesome.
yeah.
Raisins,
Raisins.
walnuts.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Now I'm going to make you some chocolate chip cookies.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got some dates, yeah. Oh,
Okay.
let's see.
Roasted almonds.
Mm-hmm. Bag of onions, too.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Onions are escaping.
Okay. Nice. So you get on there and well, oh, I got a good haul today. Thank you so much.
All right, sweetheart.
I appreciate
You know it.
it. I'm going to come on your show
Yes.
and I am going to make you guys some cookies.
Oh, yes.
And they're very easy and they're very good.
And what's the name of your company?
Masterclass Savory Sweet Foods.
I cannot wait. Hey, y'all. So what we're going to do, we're going to invite Miss Brenda to the Uncle Chris kitchen, and we're going to have her cook. Now, also, we're not over yet. We're going to go to Uncle Chris's house, and I'm going to show you what I got. Okay? Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you, sweetie. Appreciate you.
No problem.
Love you.
Love you more.
Bye. See you guys soon.
Yes, nieces and nephews, I am back from the food pantry. Ooh, it was a dreary day out there, and it was kind of cold, and it was wonderful seeing Miss Brenda. We're going to have her on the show. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I got. But first, I want to show you something. Look. Yes, somebody was so kind and sent these to me. I am so touched. Somebody took the time out to actually make these and send them to me. I am a big softy, y'all. When I opened up the package, I got a little teary. I was just, wow. This means so much to me. Thank you. These are going to be hung up in my kitchen, and I dare somebody to use them. All right, let's get to the food over here. Ooh, yes. These are going to be in my kitchen. All those are so special to me. Now, let's start over here. From, well, my right, your left, I think. I don't know, the camera's a funny way. Now, I have not opened these boxes, so this is going to be a surprise. But the first thing I got was some bread. It's just caraway bread. I want to get y'all a better picture. I want to move the camera a little closer. We got some caraway bread. which really looks nice. All right. And some of my favorite, this is blueberry pound cake. Look, if you don't know about this pound cake, blueberry pound cake is everything. Okay, just everything. We're gonna say that. Jay is gonna love it. Let me get this in the view. I don't think, move my island over. It rolls, y'all. Ain't that something? I don't think Jay's ever had blueberry pound cake. I'm gonna get that in the view. All right. Now we're gonna open up the box and see what we got in here. Oh, okay. Do this like this. I still got my Easter stuff up, y'all. I haven't taken it down yet. Look. Oh, we got a whole bag of collard greens. Let me see here. Yep. Well, these are wonderful. I'm gonna cook these and do a little bit of a southern whole buffet of soul food and southern, dishes and things like that. This is good. And good for you too. Y'all have seen my smoky greens. Ooh, a bag of apples. Jay is gonna go apple crazy. You know Jay likes fresh apples. Oh heck, I'm gonna open this up. And he does not like candy. I forgot, anybody know what these apples are called? Because I forgot what they're called. But I like these. They're great for baking, putting in the juicer. I really like them. Yes. Get the greens over here too. Now, ooh, a 5-pound bag of Halos. I won't be able to keep Jay out of these things. Now I tell you what, these make a great juice when you put them in the juicer, and you can also cook this down into an orange syrup. Simple syrup you can add to anything. You can even make icing and cakes with the orange zest and whatnot. Okay. Oh. Cantaloupe. Yes. Fruit salad. Oh, I got 3 green peppers. Loved it. Oh, these are going in my greens. Yes. Ooh, I got a pineapple. Now, I love making my pineapple tea. You can also do pineapple preserves if you know how to do that. City girl, look, we're going to can some stuff now, okay? Oh, I needed these. I got some potatoes. I could do French fries, or I could do some baked potatoes, but I would chop them up, put some olive oil over it, and roast them. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, we got a cabbage. Oh, and another green pepper. Yes. I'm gonna cook this right away, but you know what? I can pickle it. I can make some pickled cabbage. I'm gonna show you that, the stovetop version. Okay, that's really good. Now, this was our veggie box. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, blue tortilla chips. These are good. Do you like guacamole? I'm telling you now. Now, let's take a look in this bag over here. I want to see what I got. What do we have up in here? Oh. Yes. Yes. Shrimp. Little baby shrimp, cold water shrimp. Yes. Yes, I can't believe it. Oh, let's put these here. Put them right here. I can make some ceviche, y'all, if you want to see how I do that. Ooh, I got some deep pie crust. Y'all want to see me make my quiche? I can make a breakfast quiche, or I can make a dinner quiche. You write down there and let me know what you want me to make. Oh, we got 2 pounds of ground beef each. That's good. You can make all sorts of things with that. Possibilities are endless. Cornmeal. Now, you know what? We're going to have Mr. Dean on the scene come back. and fry some catfish or something with this cornmeal, because he does southern dishes too. Look at this. I got some more collard greens in the bag. So I'm definitely gonna do some soul food. Oh shoot, now we're talking. But I'm gonna give this to someone else. Even though it's good, it's some spices, it's seasoned salt. Now I'm gonna probably give that to a friend of mine that she can use this. Because I do my own seasons, I don't do the salt. But that was nice of them to put that in there. Now look, we got a can of greens, mixed greens. And that's nice, because on the fly, when you don't have time to do all that cooking, you can just do your greens there. A bag of sweet potatoes. You know what I haven't made for you all? I make candied sweet potatoes. I do them two ways, in the oven, but I know a shortcut to do them on the stove top. So I'll show you how you do that, okay? And they taste just as good. Wonderful. Oh, we got some split chicken breasts. A huge container. Yeah. That's, oh, my hot sauce soup. My hot sauce soup, y'all. And look at, oh, now here we go. I got some garlic powder. They're giving us spices. This is cool. This is gonna connect. You know I love me some garlic. Love me some garlic. Okay. I wanna make sure the camera's doing right. We got some sugar. They are on it today. Wow. Some sugar. Some butter. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, got some cake mix to go with that frosting. Chocolate frosting. Did I pull that yet? I didn't pull it out yet. Oh, duh. I saw it in there. Look at this. A whole cake. I'm just ready to be made. We got some chocolate frosting and we got some yellow cake mix. I'm gonna make this for Jay because he likes chocolate. So we're gonna do that. Then oh look, y'all. We got some pure vanilla extract. Let me bring this up here. Pure vanilla extract. Wow. This is liquid gold right there. Now, you know that vanilla extract can go with, what do you have? Oh, my sweet potatoes to make the candied yams. I'm gonna make them Southern style. You guys will love it. We got some ground sage. Oh, I'm doing it up. I'm gonna do it up. Ground sage, I needed some spices. Ooh, some Jiffy corn muffin mix. Now, I make muffins with this. I don't do my cornbread stuffing with this because this is a sweet cornbread, and it's good. But I'll do my corn muffins with this actual corn and jalapenos in them. You guys will like that. I'm running out of space. Move the box. Oh, look, y'all. Some ground cinnamon. That's gonna go with the sweet potatoes too. So I have several meals here that I can prepare. I can do the shrimp, I can do the quiche, I can do a meat dish, I can do some southern greens, I can fry up some chicken, some candied yams, and a dessert. I can make a cake. Not to mention my muffins and my seasonings. Come on, I'm gonna take you for a close-up look at everything I got. Follow me. Wow, nieces and nephews, just look at that. The blessings are wonderful. Our apples, our collard greens, our oranges, well, halos, pineapple, cabbage, green peppers, honeydew melon. Ooh, let's not forget our wonderful bread right here, our blueberry pound cake, and these wonderful towels that somebody made for me. Oh, I am so happy about this. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have Miss Brenda come on the show and show you how to make her cookies and candied nuts and things. You'll love that. We had a really good haul today. Now, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Okay? And remember, if you need resources like the food pantry or anything like that, write to me at UncleChris, thefoodpantrychef.com. Also, we're going to be taking a look at the garden. Joe, he helped me with this wonderful idea to start my garden and start the seedlings. And it's coming out so good. All right, y'all. I love you and thank you so much for those tiles once again. Big love from Uncle Chris.